posted a picture of my banana bread on Instagram. And I thought, why not share this recipe with you all? It was a really tasty banana bread and I think you might love it. So let's get started. So into a bowl lined with a sieve, I'm going to be adding in my whole wheat flour, my all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder and baking soda, and I'm going to give this a good mix. Now that our dry ingredients are ready, let's go on to our wet ingredients. For this, you're going to be needing 2 medium-sized bananas. I put these into the fridge overnight before I make my banana bread. Now we're going to take a fork and mash them. Now that our bananas are mashed, it will look like this. To this, we're going to be adding in some eggs, brown sugar and honey. Also, I forgot to add my milk, so don't forget to add in your milk in this too. And give this a good mix. Now that our wet ingredients are ready, we're going to be adding in our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. Careful not to overbeat the batter and give this a good mix or until all the flour is combined. So I'm adding some rolled oats into mine. If you want, you can even add some chopped walnuts, almonds, or even chopped chocolate, anything you like. Now let's give this a good mix, and this is ready to go into our pan. So to get a little golden brown on top, I'm adding in some honey. This is optional. You can do it if you want to. Now this is ready to be baked in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes or until you poke a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. So I baked my banana bread and it is cooled, and actually we've eaten most of it. It was quite good, quite yummy. So let me show you how this looks like. It's quite moist on the top with the honey stickiness. And look at it inside, it's so fluffy and moist. This is what your banana bread should look like.